am Jerry Balakwit, and I'm a client of Montgomery Mortgage Solution, and I'm very happy of their help with me for my refinancing of my loan. And these people were great. They are helping us in a very nice way, and everything is in order. And I would like to recommend them to all other people who are especially doing refinancing now, especially the Regis Law. They are very helpful, and the customer service is excellent, absolutely excellent, and you could not miss anything with your loan. And I mean, they walk you through, and they won't let you go until the loan is approved. And hey, the rate is very low too, the closing cost. And just give them a call, and you will see. And I give special attention to Biba Singh because he's very, very helpful, and also John Holtz. Thank you very much.